In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download, install and run Jenkins on your computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. So Jenkins is basically a leading open source automation server which is used for building, deploying and automating any project. So let's see how we can download and install it to use this software for our own need. To download this thing, at first we need to open any browser and then we have to come jenkins.io. Once we are there, then there is a download button. We just need to click this downloads button to start the download page, and here you will see the download page is there. There are two versions of this download. One is download Jenkins 2.52 which is LTS version, and the other is not LTS version. I prefer this version, and this is our file, and we are using this Jenkins. Basically we'll use this thing to run some Java testing application. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first I'm going to download this version of, or this is generic Java package, that means jar file is there but it is mentioned or. So I'm going to click here to start the download. If you are using Safari browser, it will ask you whether are you sure to download it or not. I want to download it, so I have to press the allow button, and very shortly Jenkins will be downloaded over there. Now I'm going to access the downloads folder where Jenkins is downloaded. If we click here, we can see that this is a Jenkins OR file and it downloaded successfully. Now we can access the downloads folder, and from here we can check where it is downloaded. So here we see this is the OR file which I just downloaded, and it is nearly 100 megabyte of size. So I'm going to do now, I'm going to create a folder inside the downloads folder, and I'm going to move this thing over there. But it's fine, you can use this thing anywhere of your computer, this thing. So for my case, I'm going to choose this thing, downloads, and I'm going to rename the folder is Jenkins, and then I'm going to move this Jenkins inside it, so it will be located over there. Now we need to access this folder these Jenkins folders to run the applications. We can use terminal, so we can hold command key and press spacebar together, then Spotlight search will be open. Now from here you can start typing terminal and then hit enter key. Very shortly terminal window will be open. I'm going to increase the font size of this terminal a little bit so that you can easily read. So here is that. Now we need to access this folder. Right now I'm in the downloads folder, and if you want to check the folder path, you can easily check from here. Right click, then you can go to get info. You'll see the details of this folder location. So it is inside HD users fs downloads, right? So if we try to type the command pwd, which is called present working directory, and hit return key, we'll see the actual location of my terminal. So right now I'm in users fs section. So we just need to access downloads, and inside these downloads we'll see Jenkins. So I'm going to open the Jenkins folder from here, cd, that means change directory. Then I'm going to change directory, which one? Downloads, and this is downloads, and then after that we have to type Jenkins here. Then if we try to type pwd again, we'll see the actual path where I am right now. And if you type ls here, then you will see that Jenkins is there. Inside this folder, only Jenkins file is there. Now it's time to run this thing. To run this thing, we have to use the simple Java command, java dash jar. Then we have to mention which jar I'm going to run. I'm going to run this Jenkins. So I'm going to type jenkins.or like that. Then I have to type dash the port number, http ports, not port equal to, suppose I am to run on 8080 port, then I'm going to hit the return key, and very shortly we'll get this type of warning. So basically it is showing I'm using Java 25 and Jenkins does not support this thing, and it is recommending to use other version, okay, which is supported. But here it is also mentioning run the command again with this thing. So here there is another flag. This is a flag. Basically we can use it to enable preview supported Java version, port for further future Java versions. For latest one, we just need to add this flag. But right now the version which they have, LTS version, it is supported only 17 and 21 like this. Now I'm going to run the previous command with this flag now. So I'm going to press the arrow button, and here I see the whole command is there. I'm going to press spacebar, and then I'm going to paste that thing, which is enable future Java, and then finally I'm going to hit return key, and very shortly Jenkins will start running and it will give us like this. Now when Jenkins will load for the first time, basically it will give us this information. Here a couple of things are important. I'm going to come here, but before that I'm going to open the Jenkins. So to open the Jenkins, basically we need to click the any browser, and then I'm going to open a new tab, and here we need to type on address, which is http colon then localhost then colon. We used the port 8080. We have to type it over there, and very shortly we will be like presented in this page. Now here it is showing unlock Jenkins, and there is a admin password, and here there is some information is there. What is that? To ensure Jenkins is securely set up by administrator, a password has been returned to log and the file on the server. So here it is showing the Jenkins password is there. User fs Jenkins secret install initial admin. So we have to go this location .jenkins secret this location. Please copy the password from either location and paste the below. So the easiest way you can check, when you try to run this command, basically you'll see there is on section here, you'll see the password. So here is mentioned here clearly, Jenkins initial setup is required. An admin user has been created and a password generated. Please use the following password to proceed to installation. So basically you can directly copy this thing, right click, and then we can copy the entire password. We can use it. We don't need to go this location. You can also go this location and you can check from there also. But this is the easiest way so far, I feel. Now I'm going to jump the Safari browser, and then I'm going to paste it the password. And once I paste the password, we have to press the continue button, and very shortly it will give us this window. Customize Jenkins. Plugins extend Jenkins with additional feature to support different needs. So here it is mentioning install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So I'm going to use this one, and if I need later any other thing, we can come to this location. I'm going to choose this option, install suggested plugins. Install plugins the Jenkins community finds most useful. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will start the installation. It will take some time, and here you will find some details like folders and some build timeout and some other information is there. You need to wait till it finished. So once it is finished, now it is asking to create the admin username and password. I'm going to use the admin username like FewSteps, and then password like abc123, and confirm password abc123, and full name FewSteps. Okay, so I just typed it, and email address I'm going to type fewsteps.email@gmail.com. So I'm using this email address. So you will use your own email address or password to configure this thing. So this is the section where we can actually create the admin user, and then I'm going to press the save and continue button. Once I press save and continue button, it is asking instance configuration. So here is the Jenkins URL which I'm using right now, and then I'm going to press save and finish. And very shortly you will see this message, Jenkins is ready, your Jenkins setup is complete, start using Jenkins. There is a button, we just need to click here to start Jenkins, and here you go. Now you can create a new job, or you can do some other things, whatever you want, or even you can check the job which already finished running or is still now running, like that. And that's it. In this way we can easily download Jenkins from Jenkins website, and then after that install and configure this by following this step.